We have learned a lot about multitasking, multiprocessing, multithreading. We will learn about the implementation of multitasking in a Java program in later videos of this session. But do you know, we already have seen the use of multithreading in Java. In this video, I will remind you those programs where we have already seen the multithreading in Java. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 20 of Java and Web, Multithreading in Java. Let's recall an exception handling program. We already have a session on exception handling in Java, and this is one program for that session. Here in the method main, we are calling the method f1, and in the method f1, we are having an arithmetic exception. When we compile this code, it will compile fine, but when we execute this code, the JVM will throw an exception, saying exception in thread main. Look at here, where this exception is. Exception is in the thread main. There is a thread of this Java program. The name of that thread is main and exception occurs in that thread. The name of the exception is java.lang.arithmeticException, division by 0. That's how the exception, whose name is java.lang.arithmeticException, happened in the thread main. The name of the thread is main. Here we got an exception in the thread whose name is main. Of course, this thread is a part of the process whose name is Java. So name of the process is Java and name of the thread in which the exception occurs is the thread main. The thread main is the part of the process Java. There are various threads already execute in the process Java. Main thread and various daemon threads like garbage collector. So garbage collector is a thread which is a daemon thread. Daemon threads are a special type of thread. We will talk about the daemon threads in the coming videos of this session. We can create another thread in the same process called Java. So we already have many threads in the process Java and we can create another various threads in the same process called Java. So inside the process Java, we can create various another threads by programming, and which we will do in the next video of this session. In the next video, we will see how to create our own thread programmatically in the process Java. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook, and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.